Welcome to your 2000 Core Thai Words and Phrases video series quiz. Each week, we'll release a video teaching you new vocabulary. The following week, you'll be given a quiz so you can test your progress. Click the link in the description. Let's learn and review the words for your test. But if you are ready, it's quiz time.
- สัมภาระ ผ้าพันแผล คนไข้ แผนก นักบัญชี lawyer wage piano flight number agriculture
Great job on completing the quiz. If you didn't get 100%, don't worry. Just check out the previous video again to review the expression we covered. But before you go, we have a free gift that you don't want to miss. Use it to expand your vocabulary. Click the link in the description below to download our Thai ebook with the core 2000 words for daily life situations.